Hello everyone, so today I'm going to tell you how to delete Instagram account permanently. If you want to delete your Instagram account, so you just have to follow these steps. Just open your Instagram app and here go to your profile icon, and now you just have to select the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Just select him and then tap on account center, and now scroll down and look for personal details. Here's that, just tap on it. Now tap on account ownership and control. And after that you just have to select deactivation or deletion of account. Just select it and now select your Instagram account, and here you have the two options: deactivating your account and deleting your account. If you want to deactivate your account for some time, so you just have to select the first option, and if you want to delete your account permanently, so just select the second option and then tap on continue. And here you just have to select the reason and then tap on continue, and after that your account will be permanently deleted from Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.